I can solve for angle A by using these two sides. I can solve angle B using these two sides. Something I would encourage you not to do, or could be a mistake, is finding the measure of angle A using trig, and then using triangle sum theorem for B. And here's the reason why you should not do that. It could work out. Have you ever gotten stomach flu or sick after eating at a place? Well, they usually says the workers need to wash their hands, but maybe they're really rushed, right? And they had to go to the bathroom and then didn't wash their hands, and then prepared your food, and then you ate something and it's bad, right? So basically their dirty hands touch everything, and everything's now dirty or makes you sick, right? It's the same thing in math. Let's just say you get the measure of angle A wrong, and then you use that to use triangle sum theorem to solve for angle B. It's dirty, it's going to be dirty. Does that make sense? So it might be in some ways better to keep them isolated, meaning just do two trig problems, and then you can use triangle sum theorem to double check. Let's do this. The measure of angle A, I'm going to highlight, so I'm going to label A. And let's go ahead and label our sides from here. From angle A, I have, which side is this, class? Opposite. This one is the, and this one is the adjacent. Partner B, tell partner A which trig ratio are we going to use? Macy? We're going to be using tangent. Macy, why are we using tangent? There's your TOA from SOHCAHTOA. Okay? So tangent of the angle A equals opposite over the adjacent. And then we just do our substitutions. Tangent of A equals 7 over 12. Partner A tell partner B, what do we do in the next step? Vincent, what are we going to do next? How do you show the inverse, Vincent? Circle, draw the arrows. Class, what should I write next? Tangent, inverse, 7 over 12 equals A. So there's my calculator ready equation. Let's put it into our calculators. You don't even need to simplify that because your calculator can do that. Inverse of tangent, 7/12. And it told us to round to the nearest degree, so our answer is A is approximately 30 degrees. Focus, focus. Tell your partner which trig ratio we're going to use if I start at angle B. Mariana, which trig ratio should I use? Echo? Tangent. So I'm starting here. This is my starting point. I have now the opposite. This is still the hypotenuse, and this is the adjacent. Tangent of A, not A, tangent of B equals opposite over the adjacent. Class, tell me what's right. Tangent of B equals 12 over 7. Jesus, what should I do next? How do I show the inverse? Jesus, tell us what to write. Jesus, without putting into the calculator, what do you expect B to be? We said angle A was going to be 30. We expect B to be 60. Let's double check that. Because of triangle sum theorem, right? Let me show you guys a calculator shortcut. Let's just say in this problem, just like this one, you're using tangent twice. You could press second enter. That's like the copy and paste of the previous one. And then you can just flip it. Class to the nearest degree, that is approximately 60 degrees. In this problem, we found two angles using trig.